how to turn off any Android device without your touchscreen. So hello everybody, welcome back. To turn off an Android phone without using the touchscreen, you can typically use up these options. So what you can do is, right now I am using the touchscreen, but you can just typically use a combination of the power button and volume button. So you can hold down the power button, like hold one of your power buttons and one of the volume buttons, usually volume down, until the phone either reboots or show you of something menu which is called power off. So you can just go ahead and do that until it shows up the power off option on your screen, and then you can just go ahead and select the option of power off from your screen and wait for a response. It may take a few seconds for the phone to completely shut up using the volume buttons, and that's it. You may use your power button in order to confirm the power off. So if the phone reboots instead of powering off, you may need to hold the power button and the volume buttons for a longer duration to force a power off, which will directly power off your phone without even showing these options on your screen. You can just go ahead and do that, and that is it. So these are some of the methods you can follow up in order to turn off any Android phone without any touchscreen. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up